However, you are aware that it is cooking and it is comparable to bringing a pot of water to a boil. It's just getting started. Things are beginning to heat up and soon the races will begin. If you are not a member of the trading club, we proceed to the overall market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, which is $3 trillion, 0 cents, 228 billion. I'm not sure why people need to go over to another 153% winner on BAT. But join the group Telegram link below. All you need to do is fund the exchange with $100, 0 cents. You have immediate access to the Telegram or Discord data, sync group to validate your account. You are free to select the platform of your choice. We consistently produce winners. And yes, at $100, 0 cents, there isn't a charge. It's your money. When Genuine Cryptocurrency says this, you can go ahead and use it however you wish on the exchange. We're back. He's absolutely correct. We're back. He released it on April 30th. He says, oh, we're back just as we're about to return. Yes, friend. However, let's evaluate this breaking news before we go on to TA. A bombshell was just revealed by Florida Farmer. In a huge $50 million 0 cents investment, they are abandoning traditional banking and investing heavily in XRP. Yes, exactly. With XRP for real-time payments, supply chain efficiency is increased and banking delays and FX expenses are reduced. When you click on the small article, xrprightnow.com is the first thing that appears. My webpage is located here. Every day, there are more than 20 pieces on the news, people. This website only contains news about XRP and Ripple. You won't receive anything else on this site. You will receive the most recent news and developments on XRP and Ripple. We just dropped this one and released this one, so rightnow.com. Remember it. As Wellingsters Health revealed a groundbreaking plan to introduce XRP payments across 6,000 independent pharmacies across the US, it claims that XRP is getting even more popularity down here. This action is a component of a larger financial plan of $50 million that aims to integrate blockchain-based technologies into the healthcare supply chain. It's clearly stated. The private investment firm LDA Capital is helping my hometown baby, Gistics, a Florida-based pharmaceutical distribution and technology company, generate a $50 million equity capital. They have selected XRP to act as both a reserve asset and a major method of payment inside its pharmacy network, which comprises more than 150 medicine manufacturers nationwide. And this financial structure allows them to draw money when needed. This is just enormous. This is enormous. Notably, it states that the organization is getting ready to launch its catch set XRP futures on the 19th. Here they will provide two distinct sizes. In a 50,000 XRP contract, Brian Norton, the CEO of Wellingstons Health, received 2,500 XRP. He claims that we're creating a future in which the financial and medical sectors don't have to fall behind. I adore this. If you want to read the entire piece, visit XRP right now. Serene is divided on the main page. For you to see trustworthy cryptos like I'm long XRP right now with a very tight stop loss for a high risk, high reward player momentum that keeps happening with such reliable cryptocurrencies. Putting his money where his mouth is. He believes that XRP and the pump are not over. He believes that we should carry on. And now we have Keith. Keith will discuss it right here. Everyone's favorite asset is XRP. So why don't we give it a listen? I'm kidding. We should turn it over to Binance. Here, we'll examine the XRP chart. This is the one we always use. Here I've drawn check marks and X's. Do any of you recall that from the previous live stream? I'll quickly refresh your memory in case you don't remember. It wasn't in as good of a position as it is now. UMCO Cloud, is it? Price over the cloud was the only thing we lacked. You know what, people? Price over the cloud is now available. Fantastic. On the end, we have a green cloud. There you can see it. Great, with a lag line over the candles. We have blue above red. Great. Conversion line is beneath the baseline. Fantastic. That's 4 out of 4 people. XRP is everywhere here and in the green. I am going to warn you. Okay, let's wait and avoid becoming very excited. We're still somewhat pinned down. Look at what we are hitting and slash or on right now. If I turn off the cloud and put moving averages up, the moving average of 100, aside from 250, this is the chart's most rigid line of resistance. Okay. The real hardballs are 250 and this level that is now established. After we overcome that, I believe you can close up here a few times and go for a run at the previous all-time high, which reached 338. Okay, cool. Let's play hypotheticals and assume something occurs. This is going to be a complete lie from top to bottom. I believe it's correct because this wick is on a number of exchanges, and down there at that wick, examine how closely the price action aligns with least the fib lines when I draw that as well. As you can see, we're also being slapped down by the 50 fib, and it's really accurate. Another obstacle to advancement. In the golden pocket, which is between 618 and 71%, the top market cap assets usually slow down, or 618 and 71. You now understand what those figures, the retrace percentages mean. Okay, so if we make it through that, it will be difficult. But as I mentioned, if we do, it will be $288 pounds to Sniper's Alley. Give me $3 because that's a beautiful round amount. There was the breakthrough after that. There you have it. $4.00. Keith also discusses that $3.00 goal. This is his chart, which he uploaded this morning. As you can see, the 100 moving average is above the blues. Why does that matter so much? It's easy, actually. Let us dissect it. When we examine longer time frames, this indicates that the signal is bullish. I apologize, but the price is above 100 and may begin to operate as a new support level due to positive momentum, support, and resistance. It will be resistant if we drop below. Being above it is therefore crucial in this situation. And what do we see? I believe that XRP has a little more to go in this situation. We have pushed up even higher this morning, as you can see. Our arrival time is 240. On the broadcast, we talked about this range for a long time, ranging from 220 to 236. We informed you that we had a clean liftoff to that 250 range as soon as 236 was broken. We are aiming for it today. Next up is the area between 250 and roughly 265. We have a clear runway to 283 to 3 boxes when 265 breaks. In addition to XRP's cooking, the DTCC recently revealed that they are integrating technologies with a partner called Ripple. Guess who's sitting square in the heart of this $quadrillion deal? Yes, Ripple. It's going to be a great day, people. This weekend is going to be fantastic. It's going to be a fantastic May and June. What is coming to XRP is something we all deserve. This price action is what we all deserve. The fireworks will start as soon as we reach $3.00. I will leave it at that. In this second video, we will discuss the RIP versus SEC litigation in this quadrupling dollar deal. What day won't touch more? We'll also examine the price action. Have a great Friday. Wash your hands, please. Be friendly and courteous.